Portable monitors are becoming a lot more popular and affordable, and there are a lot of different options out there. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead, do an unboxing, test, and review of a portable monitor by a company called Auzai. This is a 16:9, 1000:1 contrast ratio, very light and portable, and we're gonna go ahead and put it through different tests, such as hooking it up to your iPhone and play Fortnite or Call of Duty, as well as checking it out with your MacBook as a second screen. And most importantly, we're gonna be giving away one brand new unit coming right up. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy tech content like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future videos. So today we're going to check out this portable speaker by a company called Auzai. This unit was sent to me for free, but as always I will give you my true opinion with its pros and cons, and at the end I will let you know if I'm gonna make a recommendation to purchase this product or not. Right now this is selling for $180. There's a $20 coupon available, so it is going for $160 at the time I'm making this video. Portable monitor weighs 650 grams. It's 15.6 IPS screen. It's 1920 by 1080, 6:9 aspect ratio. Viewing angle from all degrees looks like it's 85 degrees. Contrast ratio 1000:1. Built-in speakers, and it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. All right, so owner's manual. It comes with a screen protector, which is really nice. This is the monitor itself. It comes with a case, which makes it a lot easier and convenient to carry around. Let's set that aside, see what else we have inside. An HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a USB-C to USB-C, and a USB-C to regular USB type A. So first, let's take a look at its physical condition. On one side, we have a power button, we have our menu button, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the other side, we have a mini HDMI port. We have two USB-Cs. One is used for power only, and the other one is for connection for data transfer. When you open this up, the case has a really nice texture to it. The unit itself has a bit of a weight, so it's not by all means anything light and plasticky and flimsy. The case has a bit of a magnetic feel to it. You have these two spots. Essentially, you can set this up at two different angles. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. So one is like this, the other one is like this. First, I'm going to try to connect my MacBook Pro to this unit. I'm just gonna quickly move the camera so you guys can see. So we will plug the USB-C on this side and to my handy dandy hub right here. Right, so when you use a USB-C, you actually need a single cable to go ahead, power the screen, as well as bring the data over. So we have the menu button on this side. This is an IPS panel, so essentially it's gonna be flicker free, contrast 50%. You can change the hue, saturation, audio setting, other setting, and so on and so forth. So the menu is very comprehensive, and it gives us a fair amount of information. It's very easy to navigate. So let's do a quick audio and video test. So I have the brightness at 100%, and I'm gonna go ahead, set the volume to 100% and see what we get. The quality, I have to tell you, obviously it's not gonna be MacBook Pro quality, but looking at it side by side, it seems very vivid. I don't necessarily see any concern with it. So let's try to play this video and see what quality we get out of it. I'm thinking.
Oh.
I didn't script this one. So you spend $2,000, $3,000, or maybe $4,000 and you got your fancy new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now, what are some of the main accessories that you should consider getting first? I'm going to tell you all about it. Coming right up. What's up, everybody? My name is Sean. Welcome to Auzai. So the speakers are okay for what you get for the size. There's definitely no bass, but it's nothing disappointing. It just gets you what you want. Now let's try to connect this to our phone and see if it could make it work. If you have a cell phone that has a USB-C port, you can directly hook it up and there's a good chance it can actually mirror the screen. Now with iOS devices and iPhone and iPad, it's a little bit tricky and you may actually need one of these dongles. So we're gonna go ahead trying to hook this up and see if it will work. This is an HDMI to Lightning adapter. I will put the link in the description below. You can get it directly from the Apple Store. I got it from Amazon. That was a little bit less expensive. You can also get it from Best Buy or B&H Photos and things like that. So first we're gonna go ahead connect this to our phone, and then we need to use the HDMI to focus. There we go. Then we're gonna use the HDMI to mini HDMI cable. So the full-size HDMI will connect to your iPhone, and then the mini HDMI will connect to the device. Now the second part is we need to actually power this up. So I have a power bank. I'm just going to try to hook up the USB-A to USB-C cable that is provided and see if I can get it power this way. Voila, perfect. I want to hook up the PS4 controller and fire up Call of Duty. I will put a link right above here so you guys can see how to hook up your PS4 to your phone. Awesome. So this is connected. Let's get to the game. Do we get audio? Like I said, if you want to connect your iPhone, you need an extra dongle, but if you want to hook up your PS4, your Xbox, or your Nintendo Switch, you just simply make sure there's power into those devices and use an HDMI to mini HDMI that is provided to be able to connect this. I can't figure out what's going on with the audio when I connect my phone, but at least we have the visual. So let's try to fire up the game and see what we can do. I don't notice any lag. It seems very responsive. The response time is 30 milliseconds. And honestly, I have no idea what that means in screen world. Someone can comment down below. So go ahead, comment down below. Let me know if you guys win this. How will you be using the screen? Are you gonna using it with your phone? Will you be using it with your laptop, with your PS4? And any other creative ways you guys can think of that you'll be using this, this monitor. So you guys can see the screen right here. The lag and response, it is so insignificant between the two screens. So here's a sample footage to test the quality of the audio and video. This is a commercial I made for a security camera company. I will be posting another video telling you guys about this project and some behind the scene. And so remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss this video. But let's play this. It's 1 minute and see what you guys think. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? So right now, just a reminder, I'm only powering this with just a regular power bank that I will charge my cell phone with, just a USB-A and to USB-C, and it gets its power, and then I'm just using an HDMI to try to get the signal from my phone to this. So imagine if you're out with a client, you're on a shoot and you're trying to show something, this is gonna be very convenient. Now the form factor is really good. What you can do with this, we obviously looked, you can hook up your game controller to your phone, hook up your phone to this device, you can play, you can directly hook up your PS4 or your game console to this, you can use it as a second screen with your laptop. Now at the end of the day, is this worth $160, $70, $80? I would argue yes, but it all depends. What do you do right now? Is this going to be more of a must-have or really like to have? Yes, it will be nice to have a larger screen when you're trying to use your phone so you can mirror and really use it that way. So that's gonna be convenient, but how bad do you need it? In most cases, I would say probably if you want to use this as a second screen, that's gonna be the best bang for your buck. It's gonna be very easy for you to carry this around. As a matter of fact, let me show you this. So I have my, let me disconnect this real quick. The form factor is just very impressive, how light and small it is. This is all magnet, by the way. When you take all the cases and everything off, and this is how light this monitor is. It is maybe about a 1/4 inch. I want to see if I can fit both my MacBook Pro and this monitor into this at the same time. All right, here we go. So here's my Mac, and here's the screen. As a matter of fact, I can probably wrap them both together. This is the ultimate workstation. So I have a dual monitor setup. Like I said, the form factor and the productivity, it definitely makes this worthwhile. So if you're someone who are on the go and you constantly would use this, it's gonna be a no-brainer. I will put an affiliated link down in the description below if you guys want to learn more about this. You can take a look at it. If you have Amazon Prime, obviously you don't pay any shipping, and if you don't like it, you can always return it. So let's talk about the drawing. How will you enter the drawing? It is super simple. All you have to do, make sure you have already subscribed, make sure you have liked this video. Most importantly, comments down below. Let me know if you win this portable monitor, how will you be using this? Now, unfortunately, for this particular product, I cannot ship this internationally. So if you live in the US and you'd like to enter the drawing, please comment down below and let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.